Melissa from Coed Lleol in Small Woods, Wales, and Coed Lleol is part of the Small Woods Association. And today I'm going to show you how to make one of these lovely little Pine Cone Pixies Christmas tree decorations.
So you're going to need some pine cones or other natural items that look like they make a good body and you can pop a wooden bead onto them. Some wooden beads, you can often find these on old necklaces in charity shops. A pen, some scissors, some glue, some material and a needle and cotton if you want to make it really fancy. If your pine cones, when you collect them, are all tightly closed up, then if you just put them somewhere warm, like in an airing cupboard, then in a day or two they'll start to open like these ones. So if you have a look at your pine cones and see if you can find a little bit that's sticking out, it can either be at the bottom or the top, that you can just snugly fit your wooden bead onto. You might need to use a little bit of glue to make it stick, but sometimes they just fit really tightly. This is a cob nut case. So with this one I've had to peel away part of the pine cone to find a little knobbly bit that I can just fit the wooden bead onto, making a nice head. So next we're going to have to think about making your pixie's hat. If you take a bit of paper and you wrap it all the way around your wooden bead, making sure that you've got quite a big overlap, and then just mark on the paper where that overlap is. And then if you just draw a triangle, you could use a ruler, but I've just done it freehand. Draw a triangular shape and then just cut it out. And that is going to be the template for your material for your hat. If you're making lots of them, this is very useful. So just draw around your template on the material. I've used felt, but you can use whatever material you have. And then just cut it out. So next you're going to need some glue to stick the material hat onto your wooden bead head. If you put the glue on all the sides of the triangle and then a little bit on the bead as well, it's a bit messy. And stick it on, making sure that you leave a gap to put your little pixie's eyes and nose and mouth. Stick it on and then just stick the sides of the triangle together, making a point to the hat. And there you go. Next you can just draw your own little eyes, nose, mouth, whatever you want on there. You can make happy pixies, shocked pixies. sleeping pixies. So here I've just used a little bit of Leylandii because I thought it looked quite angel-like, and just used a little bit of stalk to put the head onto. And this is handy if you want to make a loop so that you can hang your pixie up. If your pine cone doesn't have a sticky outy bit at the bottom and you want to hang it up on the tree, you can just get a little bit of cotton and wrap it through the little bits of the pine cone. So wrap it around the bottom of the pine cone. And pull it quite tightly so it won't fall off. Then you can use a needle to thread through your wooden bead, and there we go. And if you tie a little hoop at the top, then you'll be able to hang it up. And then you can stick your hat around the wooden bead and around the cotton. If you do it this way, your pixie will have a wobbly head. And if you don't have any glue, and you'd like to make your pixie hat really fancy, then you can just cut out a triangle of material, fold it in half and sew it up along the edge. I've used blanket stitch because I thought it looked more pixie-like, but you can use any stitch that feels comfortable to you. If you wanted to make a hoop through it and hang it on the Christmas tree, then just leave a gap in the top of your hat so that you could poke a little bit of string or wool or cotton through to make the loop. And there we go, a little pixie hat. Next thing to do is to decorate your pixies' faces. You can have happy pixies, sad pixies, shocked pixies, sleeping pixies. Enjoy. Bye for now, thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed the video. If you could like and subscribe to our Coed Lleol YouTube channel, that would be great. Bye!